Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 10th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed closed at $629.04, down $43.33, down 6.44%. That's quite a lot. Post-market, Tesla is at 627, down $2.04. Let's look at the chart itself. So we have a big red candle. It started a little bit below Friday's candle's body, then went straight down. There was a possibility that it could have bounced on the gray support that I drew. So basically we have a double support for this long bullish channel for Tesla. So sometimes the green support has been used to bounce off of, and sometimes the gray one has been used. So this is what I called a double support. So sometimes it's one, sometimes it's the other. And on March 8th, it was the gray one. March 30th was also the gray one that was used. But today, no. Today the stock is weak enough so that it just went right through the gray support and really sat on the support at, well, it's a diagonal support, so it's hard to give you a number. When it's a horizontal support, I can give you a number because it's always going to remain the same number. But right now, pretty much the low of the day at 627 is pretty much where the support is at. Let's look at the hourly chart. So the hourly chart, so this is 9:30 here. So we opened at 664, then basically we just went straight down for an hour with a little bit of a bounce with the wick at the bottom here. So we had a wick that almost touched this gray support. So it obeyed the gray support, it respected it. Respected it also for the body of the candle at 10:30. Respected it for the body of the candle at 11:30, but then decided to, no, I'm going to use this as resistance and just go down. So boom, 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 boom. And now look at this. This is almost picture perfect. So the stock closed down. Well, the low of the day is 627.72. So this is almost to the pixel on the green support. So that's interesting. So what can happen? Well, then anything can happen. We could bounce off of that. So tomorrow is going to be interesting because we are going to see if Tesla bounces. Note also that we have been in a downward channel here, a local channel, and we basically bounced on it for a while, and now we have been bouncing out of it. And let me just do this a little bit. So this is also a double channel. Look at this. This is also a double channel because sometimes we bounced here. Most of the time we bounced on this one, but 1, 2, and guess what? Almost 3 times we have been bouncing on this one that's a little bit further away. So what is going to happen? I don't know. If we bounce on this, it's going to be interesting to see if it bounces on this. If not, if it does not bounce on the support, on the green support, then there's a possibility that we just continue down. We just continue down and eventually test the horizontal support at 595. So 595 is maybe in the radar, on the radar. So it can happen. It can happen. It can really happen unless we have something that happens in the market that makes the stock go bounce on the green support. Let's look at the indicators. So stochastic is at 0.93, extremely low stochastic. We had a low of almost the same. Is it the same? We had a low of 226 here on February 22nd, and then the stock bounced back up. We had a low of stochastic of 695, then the stock bounced back up, and we had a low of 7, and the stock went down the next day. So it's hard to know, but for sure there's not much strength in the stock with a stochastic like this. The stock is pretty much empty, but as with anything with the stock market, it can change tomorrow. So MACD is still bearish, obviously, and both lines are negative, and the DMI is increasingly bearish. The distance between the two lines is getting even bigger. So and post-market we are at 627, so it seems like things might go even lower tomorrow. So stay tuned for my video tomorrow. If you subscribe, you will see in your notifications. If also you click on the bell, each video I make a video daily for Tesla and for Palantir. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking this video if you liked it. If you leave a comment, I will read your comment. I read all of your comments and answer when there are questions. We have a Discord server that's entirely free where you can mingle with people that like my videos, and we have a Patreon account. So thank you to Justin and Maribeth for encouraging me. And I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.